Welcome to World Famous Foods again with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing a very simple beef stew recipe. Of course, we're going to be using beef. This beef has been marinated now for about an hour with some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, oregano, and onion powder. Then we're going to use some vegetable oil to brown the beef. We got some carrots, some potatoes, some celery, some garlic, bay leaves, fresh thyme, habaneros, kohlrabi or turnip, pigeon peas, the beef stock to cook that with, and the beef stew seasoning to go along with it.
Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Look at that thing sizzle.
Couple minutes on each side. Each side is nice and brown. Okay, so now we're going to add the onions and garlic. Along with bay leaves and some fresh thyme from our garden outside. We're going to put this beef broth in here and have this cook for about an hour before we check on it again. Okay, so we're going to put this beef stew seasoning in here also. And we're going to cover this for an hour. Okay, so I'm going off about an hour. Oh yeah, it's starting to look good. So now we're going to just add our rest of the ingredients, our celery, carrot, potatoes, and kohlrabi. Ooh. Mix it up a little bit there. Nice
meat and potatoes.
And to top it off, we're going to add our habaneros in there.
Oh yeah, take it up a notch.
Just let this cook like another 45 minutes. Oops, before I forget, the pigeon peas.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's check this out. Oh, I think it might be done. Let's look here. Look at that. Look at that. Now, as you said earlier, we had all those other ingredients, but you guys can add whatever other vegetables you want. We added some corn. Look at that. I think this is just about done.
All right, so world famous beef stew. Try some of the beef. Oh, that's some good stuff. Yeah. Spice level's real nice. Good sauce. Oh, yeah. Here's a good.
World famous.